We're missing too much good stuff.
All right, Noah's got to. Noah's got to run up something.
Oh no.
Yep, and then when you get slack in your ropes, unhook your pulley. This is real fun,
The bottoms of my shoes kept getting caught up in mine.
Yeah. That's what he said. He's saying Nike Shocks are the worst. I'm like, oh.
Courtney didn't have that problem.
Alright, throw them ropes over your shoulder when you get them unhooked.
Mine got stuck too, and then when I got it unstuck, these fell down, and I got stuck that way.
Around there, Courtney, if you want to. Well, I'll let you grab them ropes so you'll come to a sudden stop. If you roll, make sure you roll towards me, don't roll towards the side. These are to grab the
I am taping.
Or to grab this rope here.
Oh, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm busy as hell. Oh my gosh. This has been the best part.
Oh my God, I got it on. Thank you.
You get it?
Yes, I did. Oh my God, I did. I'm so glad I didn't stop filming. Oh, come on. Oh my God.